Today I am doing my pasta salad. I have the tricolor rotini pasta. I have the tomatoes in here, and I also have some cucumbers. Now I'm adding my red onions. Next, I'm adding my bell peppers. Adding bell peppers. Next, we're adding black olives. So we have all the ingredients in there. I'm gonna go ahead and add my zesty Italian. I like to use the zesty. And I'm trying to hold the phone at the same time as I add this dressing. I'm gonna use the whole bottle. And now this is what puts the finishing touch on your pasta salad. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some salad supreme. You can be generous. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix all of this together. And I'm gonna show you how it looks once I get all of it mixed together. I'll be right back. I'm gonna mix all of it together. I went ahead and threw in some pepperoni, and I topped it with some more of the salad supreme. And there you have it. There's our pasta salad.